Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with HEMABATI Kongbantabam. First headlines. Government of Manipur allocates portfolios to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand and 4 other ministers. National People's Party NPP Manipur State Unit President Dr. Lorho Fose emphasizes Manipur's crucial role in Northeast region's development. And SKTV clinches volleyball title on the opening day of 15th Journalists Sports Meet organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amju. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Government of Manipur has allocated portfolios to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand and 4 other ministers as per a notification issued by Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen has been allocated the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department and Tribal Affairs and Hills Department, while Deputy Chief Minister Lucy Diko has been given the Public Health Engineering Department and Forest, Environment and Climate Change Department. Additionally, Minister Govindas Konthojam has been allocated the Home Department and Youth Affairs and Sports Department, whereas Minister Coronation has been given the Arts and Culture Department and Tourism Department. The Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand shall be in charge of any department not allocated specifically. It may be mentioned that the incumbent government was reinstated on February 4 this year, with Yumnam Khemchand being sworn in as the Chief Minister, following the revocation of President's rule in the state. Nemcha Kipgen, Lucy Diko, Govindas Konthojam and Kurajam Lokain were also sworn in as Deputy Chief Ministers and Ministers on the same day. With these 5 cabinet ministers, 7 posts of cabinet ministers are still lying vacant, as the government can have a maximum of 12 cabinet ministers. National People's Party NPP Manipur State Unit President Dr. Lorho Fose emphasized Manipur's crucial role in the Northeast region's development. He was speaking at the 10th death anniversary of NPP leader and former Meghalaya Chief Minister Purno Agitog Sangma at the NPP Manipur State Unit office located at Babupara, Imphal. Speaking further, Lorho Fose described Purno Agitog Sangma as an NPP leader and a politician who sincerely worked for the Northeast region's development and strived to make the region equal and head of other Indian states. He added that Sangma formed a new political party for the people of Northeast states and worked towards bringing development to the region, instead of heavily relying on the central government and waiting for their instructions. The NPP State Unit President further claimed that the Northeast region has been moving forward as a result of the initiatives taken up by Purno Agitog Sangma. In a glorious moment, SKTV team emerged as winner of volleyball event at the 15th Journalists Sports Meet organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amju, at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium today. SKTV defeated Media Unified in the final in straight sets after overcoming ISTV in the semi-final in straight sets to book their place in the title clash. The volleyball competition was participated by 5 teams, including SKTV, ISTV, Impact TV, the Sangha Express and Media Unified. On the opening day, several athletics events, including 100-meter race and 400-meter races, discus throw, shot put and long jump for both men and women were conducted. In the women's 100-meter race, H. Babina of Impact TV secured first place, followed by El Fazilimbi of ISTV in second and S. Roshimla of SKTV in third. In the men's 100-meter race, T.H. Kishan of the Sangha Express clinched first place, W. Kumarjit of ISTV finished second, and W. Mahesh of Media Unified secured third position. In the women's 400-meter race, Paritun Konthojam of Media Unified won first place, H. Babina of Impact TV finished second, and S. Roshimala secured third. In a men's 400-meter event, T.H. Kishan of the Sangha Express bagged first place, Nitish Laishram of Athoba came second, and W. Kumarjit of ISTV finished third. In a women's shot put event, Astro Shimla of SKTV won first place. A. Babita of SKTV secured second, and L. Fajalimbi of ISTV came third. In a men's shot put, Kishan of the Sangha Express claimed first position. Jeet of Media Unified finished second, and Binoy N of ISTV took third place. In a women's discus throw, A. Babita of SKTV secured first place. Victoria Rajkumari of SKTV finished second, and S. Roshimla of SKTV came third. In the men's discus throw, Jeeta Koijam of Media Unified won first place, Binoy N of ISTV finished second, and Premchand Ketramayum of SKTV secured third. In the women's long jump, S. Roshimala of SKTV bagged first place. L. Fazalembi of Media Unified secured second, and Victoria Rajkumari of SKTV finished third. In the men's long jump, T.H. Kishan of the Sangha Express won first place. W. Mahesh of Media Unified finished second, and W. Kumarjit of ISTV secured third position. With an impressive performance on the first day of the meet, SKTV's medal tally stands at 4 gold, 2 silver, and 5 bronze medals.
Again point 9-2. Point for SK.
빨리 들게 닫아. 수박 부재.
뭔데? 다시 제대로 보는데. Case prize collection to view. Case prize.
Runners Club Moirang organized a Run with Colors 26 with the objective of transforming Yaoshang Festival into a vibrant sports event. The flag-off ceremony was held at the INA headquarters, with the race route passing through Sendra along the scenic Loktak Lake before converging back at the INA headquarters. The event comprised 2 categories, 5 km and 10 km, with around 550 athletes participating in the run, including runners from outside the state. Retired Principal A. Sarat Chandra Sharma and National Athletic Gold Medalist Somananda graced the occasion as special attendees. Moirang ACMLA Thongam Shanti lauded the organizers for conducting the run in connection with Yaoshang Festival, stating that such sporting initiatives would help promote unity and contribute to the overall development of the state. Winners of Run with Colors 26 were presented with appreciation certificates and mementos at the closing ceremony.
Manipur tantu leita da lem lo me amdo ngasi na koi hajakraba Run with Colors 2026 na Manipur sa amukana sandi porektala Manipur na bapung bawa sandi o hedala adu ba sakhat pe state lo hedala bharat ko awang mathang ta thamba adu ba country mo hedala na koi puna ma koi wakal lon sila punda sabina ba ngasi degi o heda si aidula Manipuri praja punamta Sword Pina Vision High Object, Tamjaraga, Punampoy, Kai Koloida, I Tamjage.
As part of the World Obesity Day observance, the Association of Physicians of India API, Manipur State Chapter, organized awareness programs on obesity with the theme 8 billion reasons to act on obesity. The event was held at Kongpal Kongkham Laikai and attended by Jennings Medical Superintendent and API Manipur State Chapter Vice Chairperson Professor K.H. Lokeshwar and Head of Department of Medicine Jennings and API Manipur State Chapter Honorary Secretary Dr. Irom Anil as main dignitaries. Delivering his speech, Professor Lokeshwar highlighted obesity as a common disease with long-lasting effects on human lives. He attributed health conditions like sleepless nights, difficulties in normal child delivery and BP stroke to obesity. Noting that obesity can be prevented without medication, Lokeshwar advised adopting healthy lifestyles, including regular exercise, walking, physical activity and losing fat, alongside a balanced and nutritious diet. Dr. Anil emphasized that healthy eating habits and regular exercise are crucial to preventing obesity. He advised exercising for at least 100 minutes a week. Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Primetime English News. More news and updates. Maram Students Union MKS has resolved to launch democratic agitation following the expiry of its 48-hour ultimatum over the arson incident at Kabinam village along National Highway 2, stating that no positive response or surrender has been received from those involved. In a press statement issued, the union announced that as part of the agitation, it will impose restrictions on vehicles transporting essential commodities along National Highway 2 within the northern Maram jurisdiction from 5 p.m. onwards. The restriction will continue until the perpetrators are identified, arrested and booked in accordance with the law. MKS has appealed to citizens and commuters to cooperate and extend full support to maintain unity, peace and order during the course of the democratic movement. National Book Trust and BT India under the Ministry of Education has sought permission from Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chand Babu to organize the first ever national level Manipur Book Festival at the Manipur University, Imphal from March 20 to 25. In a letter addressed to the Vice Chancellor and BT Director Yuraj Malik stated that the trust, which has been promoting books and reading for over 67 years in more than 70 Indian languages and dialects, plans to hold the festival as part of the Make India Read mission, aligned with the Prime Minister's vision of building a knowledge society. The Trust has requested use of the university ground from March 14 to 27, including 6 days for setting up temporary structures and 2 days for dismantling, and has also sought appointment of a nodal officer from the university for coordination, with MBT's nodal officer Ashok Dhankar designated for further communication. Under the aegis of Manipur Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, My Bharat Tamenglong and Noni, in collaboration with Jadunang Memorial College, organized a Yuva Connect and Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament 2026 at Noni District Headquarters on the theme 50 Years of Emergency, Lessons for Indian Democracy. The program comprised a social worker and Longmai Students Union President Jagonglung Gangmei and veterinary surgeon Dr. S.K. Gailinliu as speakers, who addressed students in the two sessions, followed by an interactive discussion. A speech competition was also held under the same theme, with certificates and cash prizes awarded to the winners. Coronation program for Hemsinlung Gonmei, 66, son of late Ngangbi Gonmei, as Kulag ex officio chairman of Tamlok village in Noni district, was held on March 2 at the residence of Chairman Jonimlung Paumei, in the presence of village authorities and representatives from neighboring villages including Awangkul, Kongsang, Longmai, Noni and Makwam. The declaration of Kulagpaship was pronounced by Chairman Jonimlung Paumei, who also spoke briefly on the history of the village, while Kaguichung Gonmei, chairman of Longmai Gonmei, Kaikwang, cited historical accounts of late Laufing Gonmei establishing Tamlok village. Hamsunglung was earlier coronated as Kulag on March 8, 2022 and served for 1 year and 3 months before leaving the village due to life threats from Levi's group and subsequent proceedings of the Dangmei Kaikwang Central Meeting held on March 23, 2023 at Chwangfun village, reaffirmed his position, while an administrative order issued on September 26, 2025 by the Office of the Central Administrative Officer, Zaila Zeliarong Region, GPRN, declared him fit to hold the entitlement of Kulagpaship of Tamlok village. Manipuri feature film Yahoting Bakuimu was screened at Kakramura Mandop, Narayan Kamarda in Tripura yesterday. Notably, the film produced by Dr. R.K. Nayansana and directed by Rakesh Naurim received several awards in film festivals. Speaking at an interaction program after the film's screening, Ketramayum Madhavi from Tripura praised the film, saying it was highly philosophical and portrayed the admirable qualities of Manipuri women. The event was attended by Director Rakesh Naurim, Putiba Welfare and Cultural Society Secretary Sinam Deepak and Maram Organization Tripura Secretary Ningombam Pranay. DS Enterprises Kaishamtung extended support to Anoba Mangal Football Club by distributing sports uniforms to its players at a program held at Irompukri Mapal Club. The football club has been formed by sports-loving youths displaced from Churachandpur, who are currently residing at Kumbong Relief Camp amid the ongoing crisis in Manipur. Speaking at the event, proprietor Haisnam Herojit stated that the conflict which erupted on May 3, 2023 has made life extremely difficult for many families. He noted that despite their passion for sports, several youths are facing financial hardships and struggling to continue their activities. In view of these challenges, DS Enterprises decided to extend assistance to encourage and motivate the young players to pursue football and stay engaged in positive activities. Now moving on in the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 28 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9.6 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 91% in the morning and 34% in the evening. Now before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Government of Manipur allocates portfolios to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand and 4 other ministers. National People's Party NPP Manipur State Unit President Dr. Lorho Fo's emphasizes Manipur's crucial role in Northeast region's development. And SKTV clinches volleyball title on the opening day of 15th Journalists Sports Meet organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU. Now that's all we have for today's Primetime English News. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good night.